Hi students, today we are going to study factors and multiples in lesson number 4, playing with numbers. Lesson number 4, playing with numbers. We'll see first factors. What is a factor? A factor of the number divides it completely without leaving any remainder. A factor of a number divides it completely without leaving any remainder. The factor of a number is the exact divisor of the number. The factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. What is that? A factor of the number is the exact divisor of that number. Factors. What is factor? A factor of a number divides it completely without leaving any remainder. Only a factor can do that. A factor can divide the number completely without leaving any remainder. That means remainder will be 0. When you divide a number by a factor, then the balance or remainder will be 0. A factor of the number is the exact divisor. That is what it says. A factor of the number is the exact divisor of that number. Example. A number 4. When you divide this number 4, okay, we can divide by the same number. Then we get quotient 1. 4 ones are 4. Balance 0. So 4 itself is a factor. Okay, 4 itself is a factor. Then we are dividing 4 by 1. 1 4s are 4. Balance 0. So 1 is also a factor. Then again 4 can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 0, means remainder 0. So 2 is another factor. So what are the factors of 4? 4 itself. 4 can be divided by 4. Then we get quotient 1, remainder 0. That is what it says. A factor of a number divides it completely without leaving any remainder. A factor of the number is the exact divisor of that number. We can divide exactly without leaving any remainder. So we have taken number 4. 4 itself is one factor. 1 is another factor. 2 is the other factor. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, 2 is one factor, 4 ones are 4, 4 is one factor, 1 fours are 4, 1 is another factor. So these are the factors of the number. Now let's see properties of factors. First property is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Example, 4, number 4 divide by 1, then we get the answer 4. So 1 is a factor of 4. Like that, for every number 1 will be the factor. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number. Here 4 divided by 1. If you divide 5 by 1, then the answer will be 5. So here also 1 is the factor of 5. Like that, 1 is for every number. 1 is factor for every number. Then number 2, the second property says here, every number is a factor of itself. Every number. Same example, 4. 4 divided by 4, then we get answer 1. Every number is a factor. Every number is a factor itself. Factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. 4 is the factor for number 4. 4 is the factor of number 4. Same here 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Say 7. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. Every number is a factor of itself. You see here? Then, third property. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Say example 15. Number 15. 15's factors. Factors are number itself, then 1, okay, then 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, that's all. Okay, so here again it says 1 is the factor of the number itself is a factor of that number. Then there are other factors here. None of these factors are more than the number. Okay, every factor of a number is less than or equal to. See here, equal. 15 is the number, factor is 15. That shows that it is equal. Okay, either it is equal or less than. 1, 3 and 5 are less than 15. So here it says, what it says here, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. See here, factors. Number is 15. Factors are 15, 1, 3, 5. See, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. That is the third property. Fourth property is every number has a finite number of factors. Every number has a finite number of factors. Example, the factors of say 8 factors, okay, 12 factors of 12. This 12 is a number. Okay, this number's factors are 1, then 2, 2 6 are 12, then 3 4s are 12, Then 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, then 12 itself. Okay, every number has a finite number of factors. More than this factors, this 12 cannot have more than this many factors. Okay, 1 is the factor of every number, then 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, then 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors. So it is finite, not infinite. Okay, more than this they cannot have. Okay, 12 cannot have. Then the next property, a number can be a factor of more than one number. A number can be a factor of more than one number. That is, say number 2. Example number 2. Okay. 2 can be a factor of 4. Okay, 2 can be a factor of 4. Then 2 can be a factor of 6. Then 2 can be a factor of 8. Then 2 can be a factor of 10. See, a number can be, 2 is a number. Okay, a number can be a factor of more than one number. That is what it says here. It can be factor of 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so a number can be a factor of more than one number. Then next, 6th property, a number is the greatest factor of itself. That we have seen here. Example, a number, say 10. Okay, a number is the greatest factor of itself. Example, number 10. Number 10's factors are 1 10s are 10. That's why 1. Then next is 2 5s are 10. So 2 is another factor. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 10 1s are 10. So what it says here, a number is the greatest factor. Here number is 10. 10 numbers factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. So 10 is the greatest number. Okay, 10 is the greatest factor of number 10. 10 is the greatest factor of number 10. That is what it says here. A number is the greatest factor of itself. Then 7th property, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Now 1's factor is when we divide 1 by 1, then we get 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 1 1s are 1. So every number other than 1, this cannot have any other factor. That is the only. So other than 1, all the other numbers has at least 2 factors. Example, take 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 1 2s are 2. Then how many factors here? 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are also 2. So 1 and 2 are the factors of number 2. That means at least 2 factors will be there for other numbers other than 1. So every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Now say here 5. Number 5. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So 5 is one factor. Then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So 1 is another factor. So there are two factors for this number 5. For number 2 also two factors. For all the numbers other than 1 has at least two factors. So these are the properties of factors. Now we'll see multiples. A multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with a natural number. Say example 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Another one is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Then 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Now here a multiple of a number, okay, a multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all natural numbers. So a multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with a natural number. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So here 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples. 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples of 5. Here number 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Here 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples of 5. That is what it says here, a multiple of a number. What is here? Multiples are 5, 10 and 15. So these multiples of a number is obtained by multiplying it, whatever number that we have to multiply with a natural number, then we get multiples. Okay, that is what is said here. 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples of number 5. A number is a multiple of its factors. A number is a multiple of its factors. Example 15. 15 is a number. This number is a multiple of its factors. Here we'll see 15 into 1 is equal to 15. So 1 is a factor. Okay, here 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Now 1 into 15 is equal to 15. So 15 is also factor. Then 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 is a factor. 5 into 3 is also 15. So 5 is also a factor. So what are the factors here? 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 15. Number 15. Okay. So a number is a multiple. These are the multiples. Okay. When you multiply this, then you will get this number. Okay. So 15 is a 15 is a multiple of the factors. 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. These are the factors. What it says here? A number is a multiple of its factors. 1 15s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are also 15. So 15 is the multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. Let's see properties of multiple. First property is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Say example here 2. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Now see 2 ones are 2. Let's say like this. 1 2s are 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 2 is multiple here. 4 is here multiple. Then 2 times 3 is equal to, or 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now here these are factors. 1 2s are 2. 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Here 2 is a factor of 4. 4 is a multiple. 3 2s are 6. 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. So here 2, 4, 6 are multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So here there is no lower number. They are either equal or greater than. Multiples are always either equal or greater than the number. Then next, second property says there are infinite number of multiples of a number. There are infinite number of multiples of a number. Example, multiples of 6. Let's say here multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6. Then 6 twos are 12. Then 6 threes are 18. So they are infinite. There are infinite number of multiples of a number. They are infinite. It keep on going. Third property, every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Example, 3. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. That is what it says here. Multiple of 1 and itself. 1 and itself. 3. 3 is a number and that 3 is a multiple too. Okay. 3 is multiple also. Here 3 is a number. It is a multiple. And here 1 and 3 are the factors of multiple 3. That is what it says here. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Here 3 is the number and itself is the multiple. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a multiple, 3 is a number, and every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Here example I have taken 3. So 3 is itself. Okay. The next one is fourth property is a number can be a multiple of several different numbers. A number can be a multiple of several different numbers. Example. Let's take 16. 16 is a number. It can be a multiple of several different numbers. Example, 1 into 16 is equal to 16. Okay. Then 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Then 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. A number can be a multiple of several different numbers. 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 1s are 16. 116 is also 16. So that is what says multiple of several different numbers. A number can be a multiple of several different numbers. So these are the properties of multiples. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.